guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an exciting video, one that I haven't done before. It is a home booty and leg workout courtesy of the Tone and Sculpt app. I cannot believe I haven't done one of these videos before. They are going to be killer. It's a full workout you can do anywhere, and honestly I just don't know why I haven't shown you this workout. So we are going to be doing legs and booty from the home guide from the Tone and Sculpt app, phase 3. There are currently 3 phases that you can choose from, and honestly they just get more and more intense and they will make you burn. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I will put the entire workout in the description box below so you can screenshot it, work out at home, or even take me to the gym with you. So without further ado, let's get into this workout. So as I said, we're doing a leg and booty workout, and the equipment you're going to need is yourself, a pair of dumbbells, and a stepper or a chair. If you do not have dumbbells, you can use water bottles or absolutely anything heavy that you can find in your house to make do as part of resistance. Now we are going to go through 7 exercises, and then we are going to do 3 rounds of these exercises. Now it's going to be intense, it's going to get your booty and your legs burning, but you will absolutely love it. And like I said, you can do this absolutely anywhere. So the question is, what exactly is stopping you? Stop making excuses, do this with me, and better yet, do this for you. So let's get working out. So the first exercise is a dumbbell curtsy lunge. You can also do this body weight. We're going to perform 15 reps on each leg, and essentially you want to place 1 foot forward and you want to curtsy like so and pulse. 15 reps each leg. Moving on to the second exercise, we're doing kneeling abductions, 15 reps yet again on each leg. So that's really going to work your medius right here in your glutes. You're really going to feel it. So you can also do this lying down as another option. But by kneeling, I just get a better range of motion and I can feel it much more in my glutes. You can yet again use a dumbbell or do this just with your body weight. So what I want you to do, kneeling down, hand on the floor, abduct, contract before releasing back down. Really controlled reps. Moving on to the third exercise, you're going to need a mat for this. I don't know where my mat is. I'm so unprofessional, so I'm just going to use my floor. And basically, we're just going to be doing single leg walking bridges. Yet again, 15 reps on each leg. 1 set, we're going to go through the whole circuit, take a 2-minute rest, and then we're going to repeat again, take a 2-minute rest, repeat again. Like I said, I'm going to pop everything in the description box, so don't worry too much. I definitely want you to give this a go. And you might really love it and want to do an upper body session from the home guide and download the app. So let's get into exercise number 3. When you come up, make sure that you contract your glutes. As you can see, I'm pushing through my heel to really get the optimum glute contraction. I'm keeping my core nice and tight at all times and really controlling my movement. Make sure you are controlling your breathing as well. Remember, this is not a race. You want to feel absolutely every single rep and set. Moving on to the next exercise, this is a bit more high impact. It will really get your heart rate up and you will feel it so much. We are going to be doing some reverse lunge into jump. Now this is a little bit technical, and if you feel like this is a little bit too much for you, you can just do some jumping lunges, holding onto a wall for a little bit of a beginner's option. So for the reverse lunge jump, you're going to reverse, and then you are going to jump up, back, up, back. Right, just a little bit of a breather. So the next exercise is a step up with one leg and a kick back with the other leg. This is gonna kill. I've said that for absolutely every exercise, but you're working out. Your body's meant to move, your heart is meant to be racing, you're supposed to break a little bit of a sweat, maybe a lot, and just enjoy it, you know? So essentially, you're gonna step up on a chair and then kick back. You know, again, step up, push through your heel, kick back. We're nearly done the first round. Sorry. So, moving on to jumping squats. Self-explanatory. You want to make sure that your feet are a little bit further than shoulder width apart. You want to bring your hands forward, and then we're going to jump up, coming back down. Moving on, this is probably the hardest one. It's a dumbbell jumping lunge. Like I said, you don't need to use a dumbbell, but I'm feeling a bit frisky and risky, so I'm gonna do it. So essentially, have the dumbbell close to your upper body, and you're gonna jump. Okay guys, so that was it. I finished it. Whew. I completed it. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of me. Okay, so that was intense. It was difficult. Like I said, it's supposed to be. If you are a beginner and these exercises are a little bit too much for you, that's okay. Please don't beat yourself up. Reduce the reps, hold onto the wall for balance, and maybe give 4 exercises a go as opposed to all 7. Anything is better than nothing. The only bad workout you've ever had is the one where you haven't actually gone and done something for you in your body. If you don't want to work out, go walk your dog. Just keep your body moving, keep your heart rate up. Your body will thank you later. Hope you enjoyed this workout. Hope you get as hot and intense and sweaty as me. I truly hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure you leave this video a thumbs up and comment down below for any future videos you'd like to see. I love you always and forever. Bye.